You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Well, it's a name. This is very famous for being the name of a grocery store company in the US, so many people wonder how it is pronounced. Now, it's also, of course, a surname. In Dutch and also in Swedish, it's said as Meijer, Meijer, Meijer. But in English, the pronunciation is usually as Meijer, British English, or Meijer in the US, so Meijer. I know it looks like it should be said Mayor or Major, Major, Meijer. Well, which I think is what it means. Maybe in Dutch, it actually means major. Meijer is how it's pronounced, at least if you're talking about the brand. Meijer, if you're talking about the surname. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.